Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. In here we're going to scroll all the way down to System, and then you want to select Reset Options, Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, and this list includes things like your Google accounts, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Now, to be completely honest with you, the only thing that actually matters from this list are the three last options, which is music, photos, and user data. Things like apps, accounts, and all that stuff, this is all technically cloud stored, minus maybe the applications. If you tend to maybe create some applications and download them from the browser, this might not be as easy to regain, but obviously you can still re-download this. But for instance, user data, if you have created some documents and you remove those, you would need to literally recreate those. Same goes for photos, which with photos it might be even harder. Now obviously this doesn't apply if you tend to store your photos on, for instance, something like Google Cloud. In this case, obviously it will still remain there. Same thing goes for things like Google accounts. It doesn't delete the accounts, it just gets rid of them from the phone, but you can later on re-sign into them. Now, with that being said, if you have anything on your device that you want to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, I don't have anything that I want to backup in here, so I'm just gonna jump straight into Erase All Data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock on your device, you will need to confirm it. There we go. And then select Erase All Data once more, and this will begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.